Yeah, welcome to FXPG Global Limited, and today is 13th of March 2023. This analysis is for 13th of March to 17th of March 2023, and now we are going straight up to what we are looking at. Last week we anticipated this particular up move. But then we were expecting them to hit this level last week, but they couldn't hit this level because this is a monthly fair value gap. All right. So then when the market hit here and we had this particular opening here before the news that we had on the news we had on Thursday, on Friday, sorry. So before we had the news on Friday. So when we had the news we had was actually what led to the particular move to downside. Okay, so we'll have a fair value gap here. So we were anticipating them to come down here when they get to this level to go up to take out this liquidity. That was what we anticipated, and to hit this level. So, but then what we got was they came down here, and after which we had this particular push to the upside, and the market closed without them hitting this level. And that was actually what changed our buyers that they need to come back to mitigate the particular block before going to the upside. So here, what we'll be expecting them to do is, as they come down, to take out this liquidity here, all right, and then find a way to hit this level for us before they move to the upside. But it will be ideal or better for them to use our 4 hours fair value gap, trade into it to flush down. Here we'll have H4, all right? So we want to see them come into this level, which is what they've done already, then to hit down. So we would like to see this guy to play. I want to see them do like this. Possibly they might still come back up here, then come down before they go to the upside. So this is what I'll be expecting to see. So I'm still expecting to see the dollar index still go to the upside. All right, but I would like to see a kind of a correction before this particular push to the upside. And that is what I will be expecting from those particular pair. And if you want to become part of our community, kindly chat me up or click on the link for you to register on our academy and take part of our training. Let's go straight up to EURUSD. EURUSD, we have those in 4 hours, so we're going back to daily so we can have clarity. In daily, we are seeing a kind of another block here. All right, this other block that we're seeing here, it's last week we anticipated, we wanted to see that was toward the ending of last week. That was on Wednesday, Thursday. We want to see them trade into this level. That was on Thursday. Trade into this level, all right, to this level, then come down to take out this liquidity here. When they hit this particular level, then we're anticipating that they will now go to the upside. Okay, but because of the news, the impact of the news, they did trade into this fair value gap. Our market closed like this without coming down. And that was what gave us the impression that this week they're going to take out this liquidity that we have here to mitigate this level here that has not been mitigated. Because if you go to 4 hours OB, you find out that that level has not been mitigated. So we want to see them go back there to mitigate this particular level. Once they mitigate here, we'll begin to look for a way to sell down. So that is what I will be expecting to see there. So what I want to see is, as they have touched this level, I want to see a kind of a play back down. I'll still be on the bias to a sell. All right, my bias will still be on a sell, so I will still be expecting them to still go back down because this is a pullback, is a corrective wave. So they have a corrective wave back to the upside. So for them to go down, so I'll still be expecting to see that. But everything is determined on the momentum at which they're using coming down, because we still have a fair value gap here in this particular place. So I'll be expecting market to take shape anything from Tuesday, Wednesday. All right, from Wednesday, I'll be expecting market to take a good shape, and why I will be still aiming to see the market come back down here. So this is what I'll be expecting from this particular pair. I'm going back to 4 hours so we can see it clearly. So I have this market has taken out this liquidity. So we want to see anything from here. We should be expecting market to move aggressively down. This is what I would like to see. I would like to see this really happen. Okay, so I want to see market, anything from here, I would like to see market move aggressively down. I'm going back to the next one, and that is GBPUSD. GBPUSD gave us a good pullback. We anticipated to see the pullback, wanted to see this pullback from here, something like this. I did something like this. Back up here, all right, and then down. But as you can see, the news took it to the other way around, and this has broken the market structure. So for a short sell, you wait for a correction. For a short sell, you wait for a correction to go to the upside. All right. But anything from here, you look for a way to sell it down. That is what we'll be expecting from this particular pair. Then we're going to gold. Gold performed well, but then we saw that gold took out this structure. We expected to see gold trade back into this level here, kind of like this, back to this level here, then to come down. This was what we anticipated, all right? But then what we saw was that the news actually took it to the other way around, and it has broken a structure here. So the question here is, what are they looking at on this particular pair? Go back to daily time frame and let me show you guys what these guys are looking at. Now here we'll have a structural key level, okay? And here we have what we call the breaker block. So what we want to see is, we want to see this guy, already they've taken out this particular high, all right? But then if we see them trade into this particular level from here, I'll be looking forward for any reason to sell this market down. So I will still be looking forward to sell this market down. I'll still be looking forward to sell this market down. So this is what I'm expecting from this particular pair for the week. Then the next one is AUD/USD. Now, guys, remember what I told you guys last week? I told you guys I drew the particular arrow last week. That was on Wednesday, Thursday. I said I would like to see this guy come back, take out this liquidity down here, then to go to the upside, because this is a monthly fair value gap. And being that it's monthly fair value gap, we are going to anticipate a very aggressive move to the upside. So now, if you zoom in, you'll find out something. I'm taking this out. This is a fair value gap, all right? Now we wanted the market to trade into this fair value gap and take out this particular low. So when you trade into this fair value gap and got to mitigate at this particular SKL level that we have here, then it came down to take away the particular low. After that, I'll see this move to the upside. So that is to tell you that the push have already started. But in worst case scenario, you might have something like this back here. Then you may have this push down in worst case scenario, but then you start seeing them going to the upside, just as I told you guys. So here, I will be looking forward to I will look for a buy setup for AUD/USD, and I'm going to hold it for a very long time. Let's go to the next one. This is AUD/NZD. NZD-USD. And this NZD-USD, here we'll have an OB. So market has traded into this. I will be expecting, this is what I'll be expecting to do. I'll be expecting to see them go up to this level here. All right. Then I'll look for a sell setup. So I'll be selling this market down. For a USDCAD, of course, this market is as good as a good buy. So I'll be looking for a buy setup here. Why am I going to do that? As you guys can see, it has entered the fair value gap. All right. So from this particular fair value gap here, I'll be expecting to take this trade to the upside. That will take out this liquidity on the high side here. So I'll be looking forward for a buy setup. Then for USDCHF, this was what we analyzed, but we never expect them to take away this level here. But as you guys can see, they took out this level. Now we have a fair value gap here. We want to see them trade into this fair value gap, took away this liquidity to the upside. They did came down, but they created another gap in between that fair value gap. So now this thing was what happened on Thursday. So, and on Friday, we'll have this particular push to the downside. Okay, so now when we go to the particular level here, now the question is, why are those guys still going down? That is the question. So what we want to see that will happen here is this. We want to see these guys do this. Let's go to weekly time frame. This is an OB, a fair value gap between here and here now. Let's go to daily time frame. In daily time frame, we'll have this as a breakup block. So here also we'll have a fair value gap in here. So I think by Tuesday and Wednesday, we'll see a good setup here. So I'll be expecting to see this guy do this, come back down, then trade back into this fair value gap here. Therefore here, I'll be looking for to sell down. So from here, I will buy up to this level. Then depending on what I have seen here, if they come into this fair value gap and give me a sell setup, I will sell it down. If I didn't see them give a sell setup, then I will hold it up for a buy. But this is exactly what where I will be expecting our market to give me position to take trades. So if we go to 4 hours time frame, you see it clearly. So I'll be expecting to see markets to give me this, a push down. Then when they come back up here, I'll be looking for a sell setup. Okay, so that is just it. So let's go back to daily time frame. So this is what I'll be expecting to see from this particular trade. Anything that will make this market come back to this level, I will sell this market down. So let's go to the next one. That is NASDAQ. Now in NASDAQ, we have this particular push down, then we'll have this corrective structure, we'll have this push again. Then what I will be expecting to see in NASDAQ is this. I have my OB here on daily. It has broken market structure. And here also we'll have an OB here where the market has gone to before it pushes to the upside. So we had this, and me, I will be looking for to do this to the upside. Okay. That is what I'll be looking at this week. Then the next one is USD 30, US30. And this US30 already, we anticipated this particular down move, and already we'll have this particular down move down. So here will be what we'll be expecting to have here is we'll be expecting market to trade into this fair value gap just as it's doing right now. Once this market trade into this fair value gap, I'll look for a sell setup to sell this market down. So this next one is USD JPY and UJ. I'll be looking for to see a pullback up to this level. Then I'll sell it down to display. Then from here, I'll be looking forward for a buy to the upside. That is what I'll be expecting because market has broken structures down. So I needed to mitigate this. You take your Fibonacci from here to here. This is a zone where the market makers are looking for to push this market to the upside. So from here, I'll be taking an aggressive push move to take it straight to the upside. The next one is GBPUSD. GBPUSD, we want to see them trade back down. All right. Just as we analyze, we want to see them trade back down then to the upside. Let me zoom in. Go back to 4 hours. So in our analysis, we needed to see them pull back. All right. And that was what we got. So we want to see them go back to the upside. So now my bias on this for now is going to be, I will be looking forward to see anything that this market will do that will still bring them back to this weekly fair value gap. Once they enter this weekly fair value gap, I'll be looking forward for a buy setup. That is what I want to see there. I'll see like I want to see a pullback before I'll take this trade to the upside. If not that, I'll have to wait to see them break this structure to the upside, then trade back down, then I can go up with them. So that is just it. My bias here is still to the upside. And this will draw the curtain on to this analysis. Kindly help us to subscribe, comment. If there's anything, just comment. If there's anything you want us to look at, you comment. All right. And we can look at that. Help us to share this platform. I recommend it to those who really want to master how to trade Forex professionally. Thank you very much. I remain Godwin Emmanuel. God bless you.